Welcome to Indianwheelosophy, powered by Next Gen Cars. At Next Gen Cars, we received this stunning Tomato Red Mercedes-Benz SLK 55 for mechanical work and a complete revamp. Like many of our customers, the requirement was clear: deliver within a tight timeline of just 4 days. With our state-of-the-art 14,000 square feet facility, we were well equipped to handle such demanding projects through efficient multitasking and seamless coordination. As the car arrived, our team immediately got to work, dividing responsibilities and simultaneously addressing different aspects of the vehicle across dedicated work zones. Each technician focused on their area of expertise, ensuring precision, speed, and uncompromised quality. Step by step, this machine was carefully restored, bringing it back to its true form and presence. Let's take a closer look at how this transformation unfolded and how we brought this beauty back to life. Once the metal was restored through denting, they applied putty and primer. After the primer has cured, it is sanded and cut, further refining the surface by removing minor texture and ensuring complete uniformity. With the surface fully prepared, the car moves into the painting stage. Starting with the base coat, the color is built up in controlled layers to achieve depth, consistency, and full coverage. For a special shade like Tomato Red, precision in application is critical to bring out its richness and vibrancy. Once the color is perfectly laid, a clear coat is applied, adding gloss, depth, and long-term protection. The result is a finish that not only looks stunning but also stands up to time and the elements. After painting, the car undergoes polishing and detailing. This step enhances the finish by removing minor surface imperfections and bringing out maximum gloss and clarity. To preserve the finish, a clear glossy paint protection film was applied across the entire car. This transparent layer acts as a shield, protecting the paint from scratches, stone chips, and everyday wear. While offering protection, it also enhances the gloss, giving the surface an even richer and deeper shine. The result is a finish that not only looks stunning, but stays that way for years to come. To enhance both style and aerodynamics, we added a subtle rear spoiler. Beyond aesthetics, the spoiler also helps improve airflow at higher speeds, which adds functional edge to the design. To elevate the car stance, the wheels were finished in a glossy black, paired with striking red brake calipers. The contrast adds depth and aggression to the overall look, perfectly complementing the tomato red body. More than just a visual upgrade, this combination enhances the car's sporty character, with a sharper, more commanding road presence. What arrived as a car in need of work has now been brought back, not just to its original form, but elevated in both finish and presence. With a tight timeline and uncompromised quality, this Mercedes-Benz SLK 55 now stands restored, protected, and ready for the road once again. At Next Gen Cars, it's not just about fixing vehicles. It's about delivering confidence, performance, and lasting value. Restoring cars, preserving trust. Thank you for watching this video on Indianwheelosophy. Click on like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on this channel. Indianwheelosophy, powered by Next Gen Cars.